Hey out there, hope everyone's having a good day. I'm Devin, and I wanted to make this video because I had a strange problem and a even more strange solution to the problem. To describe what's on screen real quick here, I have two instances of alacritty open. On the top one here, I am telnetted into a Cisco switch, and on the bottom one, I'm consoled into that same switch. So I guess without any further explanation, I'll show you exactly what's happening. This problem happens when I enable night color on Garuda Linux. I've actually tried this through VirtualBox on Pop OS, and night color really doesn't activate through Virtual Machine for some reason. But the problem doesn't come up either, and the problem does come up in virtual machine with Garuda. But there's the problem. So I enabled night color, and I get this random set of characters. It's not random, actually. It does it every time, and then about 5 seconds from now, it should spit out some more stuff. There it is, and from there, it'll kind of just go ahead and have a mind of its own. As you see, the telnet version up top is good to go. It's as if nothing is happening. Down here, I can exit minicom and then try to go back in. Oh, excuse me, I'm in the wrong one there. And then try to go back in after turning it off, but the problem remains. I can also, so like I'm hitting enter and it's actually just doing nothing. I can also exit alacritty altogether and go back in, start a new session here, and it is the same thing. The symptoms are different from time to time. Right now it's kind of just frozen up on me, but if I turn my computer off, turn it back on, as long as I don't activate night color, everything just goes back to normal. I thought that was kind of strange and wanted to share it in case somebody else out there is coming across the same issue. And I hope this was helpful to someone. Alright, thank you for listening.